video 4, we're going to be talking about our table, or our chart, our bar graph here. So why don't you take some time and cut that out, and then I'm going to type up some questions for you. Once the questions are up, I want you to pause the video, answer them, and then restart the video and check and see how you did. And I'm going to put this over here for now. Alright, 5th graders, these are the questions I want you to respond to. What fractions of the vehicles are vans? And then simplify the fraction. What fractions of the vehicles are cars? Simplify the fraction. What fraction of the vehicles are trucks? Simplify the fractions. So why don't you pause the video, take care of that, and then when you are done, restart the video and check and see how it went. Okay, 5th graders, hopefully things went well for you on these problems. First thing, we have to figure out what fractions of the vehicles are vans. So we're going to look at vans here. That's right here. We're going to go up, and it's at 30. So our numerator is going to be 30. And now we just have to figure out what our denominator is. Well, we're going to have 30 plus 45 plus 25. And if I add that together, I'm going to get 0, carry the 1, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So it's out of 100. So 30 100ths are vans. And then it asks us to simplify the fraction. So I'm going to take 30 over 100. And I can divide by 10, which will give me 3 over 10. Or I could divide by 2's, and I get 15 over 50. I could divide by 5, and I would get 6 over 20. Now, any of those would be a correct answer, but when we talk about a answer that's simplified the most, that would be this one, because we can't break it down any smaller than 3 over 10. Alright, our next part of the question is, what fraction of the vehicle are cars? Well, let's look at cars. Cars right here go up. It's going to be 45. So we have 45 over 100. And again, the next question asks us to simplify. So we're going to write 45 over 100. And they're both divisible by 5, so I'm going to divide them both by 5. 95 divided by 5 is going to, 45 divided by 5 is going to give me 9. 100 divided by 5 is going to give me 20. Now, I can't go into nothing else. It's not divisible by anything else. Common numbers. Okay, and then finally, what fraction of the vehicles are trucks? Trucks, we're going to go here and over 25. So it's going to be 25 over 100. And it's going to ask us to simplify 25 over 100. And I can divide by 5's, and I'm going to get 5 over 20. And I can continue to divide by 5's, and I'm going to get 1 over 4. I think that's pretty much all I can get. But once again, the smallest, the lowest terms, the smallest possible is going to be 1/4. That's the most simplified. And I want you to get used to looking and seeing if you can find the most simplified version of a number. Alright, so that's it for video number 4. Today's videos are pretty short and sweet. You gotta like that. If you have any questions, please talk to Mr. Winkleman. Today has been very much a continuation of what yesterday was, and I think to a certain extent the day before yesterday. So hopefully we feel more comfortable with this today than we did yesterday, and even more comfortable than we did with this on Monday. But if you have any questions, please talk to Mr. Winkleman. But yeah, I want you to reflect on today's question. How do we use our knowledge of multipliers and divisors to find unknown numerators and denominators? Because it's kind of what we did. And then what we really worked on and what we've focused on today was that simplifying fractions, simplifying here. And we just so happened we just simplified them together versus having one known and one unknown. All right, so check your work, check your math, and then talk to Mr. Winkelman because I'm sure he has a wonderful gift for you.